Stop scrolling, because this just changed everything. Seedance 2.0 is officially out, and it's not just an update, it's a whole new level of AI video creation. But guess what? It is not free. Don't scroll yet, because in the next few minutes, I'm going to show you a secret website where you can completely access this tool and generate unlimited videos completely for free. But here's the crazy part. Most creators don't know about this powerful website. That's why every other tutorial video you'd watch would tell you that you have to pay to use Seedance 2.0. So if you want to create insane AI videos like this and not waste your time and resources, stay till the end, because I'll also show you a hidden trick that allows you to access and use this website I'm about to show you. Watch closely and pay attention, because if you miss a step, you've missed it all. The name of this powerful website is Martini AI, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to access the paid Seedance 2.0 completely for free. But before we jump into that, I've already prepared a master prompt that we'll be using throughout today's workflow. If you want to use my exact prompt, or even study it and create your own, I've placed it in the description below. So make sure to check that out. Now, let's get started. First, head over to Martini AI and sign up using your Google account or any other method you prefer. To do that, simply click on Start Creating. You'll be asked a few quick questions during the setup process. Just go through them, and within a minute, you'll be inside the dashboard. Once you're in, locate and click on Seedance 2.0. Now it's time to create a reference image, which is a very important step for getting high-quality results. Go to the master prompt and copy the section labeled Character Turnaround Sheet. For this example, I want to use my own custom character. So what you need to do is head over to ChatGPT, upload an image of any character you prefer, and then paste in the prompt you just copied. ChatGPT will generate a full character turnaround sheet for that character. This includes multiple angles and a close-up, which is exactly what we need. Once it's done, go ahead and download the image. Now, head back to Martini AI and click on Reference. Click the plus button and upload the image you just downloaded. Next, return to the master prompt again and copy the remaining part of the prompt, then paste it into the main prompt box on Martini AI. At this stage, you can customize your video settings. You can adjust the duration of the video here. You can also set the aspect ratio. I'll be going with 16:9 for a more cinematic look. And for the resolution, 720p is actually enough to get a really solid result without slowing things down too much. Once everything is set, go ahead and click Generate. This tool gives every new user a total of 200 credits for generations. The above 15 seconds video costs a total of 150 credits. Watch till the end, because I'm going to show you how to generate unlimited videos. Now give it a moment. The rendering might take a little time, depending on the complexity. And just like that, your video is ready. Go ahead and download it, and here's the final result. If you want to keep using this tool without limits, you can simply create multiple accounts using different email addresses. You already know the rest.